to go to Starbucks, you have to show your health code to prove that you are virus-free. They have a system in place here where even to get into the grocery store or to go to Starbucks, you have to show your health code to prove that you are virus-free. And these restrictions are expected to stay in place for a while because they don't want to have this feared second wave.
We've all been watching what China has been doing with this virus since the beginning. We saw them implement a severe lockdown fairly early on with just one area. Now that their numbers have been dropping, whether you believe that's artificially or whether they are actually dropping, they have started trying to reopen the government some, and everybody's like, oh, well, they shouldn't do it too quickly, and now they're seeing cases pop back up. And it's important to watch what they're doing and what's going on over there, because here in our own country, our president, Mr. Trump, is wanting to reopen the government as quickly as possible, and he's telling people to just right now go ahead and start opening up in different states where the numbers aren't that high, even though in some like surrounding states, they might be having some issues. One of the things that I think that they're going to do, our government, that they are definitely going to be looking heavily at what China has been doing and all of the things that they can do to try to have the economy open, but still try to control this. They are going to implement as much as possible. We've already been hearing them talk about having these new apps and new software that can track people's phones and where they've been traveling through GPS location, and then they can tie it to a known positive case, and then they can send you a notification saying, hey, you've had contact with somebody with COVID, you need to go quarantine yourself. There was not that long ago that we had the hearing on facial recognition, and they made it very clear in that there is facial recognition going on all over the place, and people are totally unaware. And even if they are aware, there's nothing that's being done about it. So they're going to be using systems like that, like facial recognition, to continue to track people and to try to buckle down on this. And now they are having these health cards in China. China, of course, has been leading the way with things like facial recognition for a while now. So now they have these health cards that you have to show. And in order to be able to get anything or to do anything, you're going to have to show that you have this card that says, oh yeah, I've had all my shots. I'm good to go. I can go play with the public. And we've all been watching them roll out this testing of COVID too that they're wanting to implement. I am very concerned about that. I am watching that like a hawk, because my boyfriend is an essential worker. He has essential workers in his family. Pretty much everybody that we know are essential workers. And I am watching the children of essential workers so that they can go to work. So them being tested and all this testing being a mandatory thing is something that we're pretty much just waiting for them to announce and to have happen. It's going to be like, if you don't get a vaccine, you have to be tested for antibodies. If you don't have the antibodies, you have to get the vaccine if you want to work. What is your guys' opinion? If they have mandatory testing or vaccines, what are your plans? What are you going to do? How do you feel about it? Let me know.
Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video informative. Remember to subscribe, hit like, and leave a comment. It really helps support the channel and independent journalism as a whole. Check out our website, growtheinfo.com, for more, and you can find all our contact info in the description box below. Have a wonderful day, everyone, and remember to wash your hands.